Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be filming for the week of December 3rd to the 9th in my Erin Condren Vertical Life Planner. We are using this kit from my shop, the Prairie Planner, and it's called Nutcracker Suite. And I loved how this kit turned out. The pop of green in this kit was so pretty. I really enjoyed it. There is a lot of gray and black in this kit, so the green just kind of gave it that more Christmassy vibe. This is more of a non-traditional Christmas kit, but I really wanted to kickstart the Christmas kits now as I'm going to be doing them for the whole month of December. So what I'm starting with first is the bottom washi. I just put some of the Simply Gilded washi down. I think this is the olive color from the fall pre-sale, and I think it went very well with this kit. Next I'm putting down some of the bottom washi that came in the kit and just cutting it down to size. And I'm just using my slice tool and then my ruler that came with my Erin Condren to do this. This is, I think, the best way to cut down washi, and it works super well. This slice tool I just got on Amazon. They are really inexpensive and they have like a ceramic blade. It is awesome for cutting washi. You'll see that I use it all the time. It is definitely my favorite. I found it was a little bit of a challenge to plan this far into the year because my planner was getting super chunky, but I think I made it work. Okay, so now I'm going to be using a overlay, which I've never done before. This is a foiled overlay from Simply Beautiful Plans, and it says Santa Baby on there. And I just put it on top of one of the full boxes to put as my quote box. I think this is stunning. I am so happy with it. It turned out so well, and it just brings that extra pop of Christmas that I was looking for. So now I'm going to go in and put all my full boxes down. I'm just kind of scatter them like I usually do, along with my glitter headers. The only thing that I watched for was to make sure that I didn't have too many of the same patterned backgrounds next to each other. So I'm going to go do that now, and I'll be right back. Alright, so now I have all of my full boxes and my glitter headers down. I also went in and added the page flags in the top corners. And now I'm just putting on the date covers using my date squares from my shop and the date covers that came in the kit. I just went and whited out underneath those because the date covers themselves are pretty light in color and I didn't want that font to show through. So now we're going to work on to my sidebar. We are going to be doing a little bit different like I did last week. So I'm going to put a piece of skinny Simply Gilded washi underneath the quote box. Then I'm going to do my highlight for the week, so I take a half box to mark that. Then I put an odds and ends header down along with a weekly sidebar, and this is going to be for my kids' advent calendar. We do a homemade advent calendar every year where I come up with different Christmas activities to do each day. So I just kind of wanted to put which activity we do each day on my sidebar. Then I put a dinner's header down, along with another weekly sidebar to mark my dinners for the week. And then I noticed that all of this was pretty crooked, so I just adjusted here. So now I'm going to go in and fill out my sidebar. So I just filled out my sidebar, and then I went and added my Christmas countdown stickers to the bottom washi. I just kind of put it in the between there, and I got this Christmas countdown from my shop. So starting on Monday, I put an appointment label down along with a music note to mark my daughter's piano lesson. Then to fill in some space, I used some Simply Gilded washi, again in this green color. And then I accidentally put it onto that full box, and I'm so glad that nothing peeled up because I was super nervous. Then I ended up going to Staples that day, so I took the shopping cart icon that came in the kit to mark going to Staples. Then this day was a huge work day. I was trying so hard to get as many orders from Black Friday done as possible, so I took a laptop and a work script sticker to mark that. Then I took another piece of Simply Gilded washi just to fill in space. And I ended up working till I think like 3 in the morning that day. So I took one of these little girls that's really tired from Planner Mania, and I layered that on a quarter box to mark that I worked really late. Moving on to Tuesday, my kids had preschool, so I took a preschool sticker from my shop to mark that. Then I did a bunch of designing that day, so I took a half box along with Miso Co dog on a laptop to mark designing. Now I ended up using the last one on the sheet, so I need to order more, or I need to find something else to mark designing because I used those a lot. And then in between the preschool and the designing, I just put a piece of Simply Gilded washi. I thought this plaid washi was perfect with this kit because there is that same pattern in the bottom washi and in a couple of the full boxes. It just super well fit. Then for the rest of the day, we made paper snowflakes as part of my kids' advent calendar. So I took a quarter box, and then on the deco sheet there was this little snowflake cookie that I used to mark it, and I just wrote "Make Paper Snowflakes." Then I did more printing and cutting, again worked super late this day, so I took another laptop and a work script sticker to mark work. And then to mark staying up super late, again I took another quarter box, and then the Planner Mania girl that's really tired to mark staying up really late. I don't usually work super late, so I thought it was important to mark it. For Wednesday, I had a bunch of errands to run in the morning, so I took a flag from the kit and I layered that with a car icon to mark my errands. And then that morning, my sister-in-law came over and we decorated a gingerbread house. So I ended up taking 2 strips of the pattern washi that came in the kit, and I kind of layered that to make almost like a quarter box. And it was kind of a hot mess, so I ended up putting it down crooked. I put the gingerbread house totally wrong on there, so you'll see me struggling really hard to get this up and try and put it straight. But I did end up making it work, so I'm just moving it now, and then I had to move the gingerbread house sticker again. This was horrible, and I'm sure it's like painful to watch me do this to the stickers, but it ended up working okay. This is also the reason why I put the gingerbread house on this day of the week, the full box, because that's the day we decorated gingerbread house. Then we went out for lunch this day, so I took another piece of that pattern washi along with an eat out sticker from the kit. And then I started working from the bottom up, so I took a movie marquee from the kit to mark that my friends came over and we watched Lord of the Rings. This was the second Lord of the Rings that we in the series. Then me and my friend puzzled in the evening after the movie, so I took a puzzle icon to mark that. And then I also did some work this day, so I did another laptop and work script sticker. Moving on to the second half of the week, on Thursday my kids had preschool again, so I took another preschool sticker to mark that. And I ended up getting my hair colored this day, so I took an appointment label along with our new hair appointment stickers. If you guys are not following me on Instagram, you should, because every Tuesday I have been doing Transformation Tuesdays, where I've been taking one of my old sheets and reformatting them to be more of an update design. Yeah, so hair appointment was last week, and I think they turned out super cute. Then underneath that, I put some more of that plaid Simply Gilded washi, and then a quarter box because we actually ended up donating toys to the Christmas cheer this day for my kids' advent calendar. So I had a donate sticker on the holiday bucket list to mark that. Then since we donated to the Christmas cheer board at the fire hall, they had tours at the fire hall for that. So I took a quarter box from the kit, and then there is a little bow sticker. These are now in my shop. They are Kiss Cut bows, and I have 4 colorways currently, but I used that to mark the fire hall tour. And then I took a shopping icon to mark that me and my sister went decoration shopping for her. She just bought a new house, so she needed a bunch of new decorations. And then we ended up going for ice cream in the evening. We got peppermint blizzards from Dairy Queen, and that is our favorite ice cream, peppermint ice cream. We look forward to it every winter, so we got a blizzard. On Friday, I had to tidy the house in the morning, so I took this cleaning bucket from the from the kit to mark tidying the house, and then another laptop and work script sticker to mark working for the day. And then me and my kids ended up going to the library, so I took a quarter box from the kit and I layered that with a book icon that came in the kit as well to mark going to the library. Then for our advent calendar this day, we made homemade hot chocolate. So I took a glitter flag from the kit, and then on the deco sheet, there was this little mug, and I'm going to say that it's hot chocolate to mark that we made that. And then I took a piece of washi. This is a beautiful Simply Gilded washi. It has some snowflakes on there. It's so pretty, and I thought the gray was very fitting. And then in the evening, my friend Ashley came over and we did some puzzling, so I took another puzzle icon to mark that. On Saturday morning, I went for breakfast with my parents like I usually do, so I took a quarter box and I layered that with a meal icon to mark that we went out for breakfast. And then this day, my daughter had a birthday party for one of the girls in her class, so I took the balloons from the kit to mark her going to a birthday party. She actually went to a bowling alley, which was really cool because it was her first time bowling. And then so me and my son went and did some shopping while she was gone, so I took a shopping cart from my shop to mark that. And then we had my husband's Christmas party that was in the city, so I took a car icon to mark going to the city. And then I took a half box that I wanted to leave this space for the party. And then I had this little check-in sticker from Charlotte's Minis to mark that we checked into the hotel. And then to mark the holiday party, I took one of these bows from my shop, and I also had a holiday party sticker on the holiday bucket list from my shop as well, and I think it turned out super cute. On Sunday, we did our holiday shopping. Since my kids stay with my parents for the night, it's just easy if we just can do all our holiday shopping right then and there. So I used a half box to mark that and a holiday shopping sticker from that bucket list. And then I took a piece of Simply Gilded washi to separate that little section there. And I ended up ripping that shopping cart when I was peeling it up, so I had to get a new one. But I used that shopping cart icon to mark that we went to Into the Blue, which is a saltwater fish store that my husband likes to go to because he likes to do all that saltwater fish tank stuff. And then we drove home, so I took another car icon to mark that. And then my parents so graciously invited us for dinner, so I took a flag and then another meal icon to mark going to my parents' house for dinner. And then all I did was come home and plan my next week, as well as watch the Nailed It holiday version. It was super cute. I really wanted to put that in, but I didn't have enough room. So I ended up taking this Plan Next Week sticker layered with a quarter box that came in the kit. So now I'm just going to go in and open up my spread here. I am going to fill in my highlight for the week, which was definitely starting our holiday shopping. I just had so much fun in the city with my husband this weekend, so I thought that was definitely my highlight for the week. Then I'm just going to go in and scatter a little bit of the deco around. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave any comments or questions you have down below. If you're not already subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!